Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the Tide Pod, detergent Tide Pods. These have been around for a while, but I've just recently started using them. I had been sticking with just regular detergent, but I decided to give these a try, and I have to say I really like them. Now I'm not even usually a Tide girl, I usually will use Gain, but now I'm hooked on Tide because it makes your clothes just smell so good. So the Tide Pods claim to be a 3-in-1. It is a detergent, a stain remover, and a color protector. So it's going to clean your clothes, it's going to remove stains, and it's going to make sure that your favorite black sweater stays nice and black and doesn't fade to that in between black and gray color, which is really cool, and it's all in one, so you don't have to use a ton of products. And I think that the Tide Pods really just save a lot of you do have some warnings in here, which are your regular warnings, but I think we need a little something more just because of stuff that was kind of trending at the beginning of this year. So harmful if put in mouth or swallowed, so just make sure that you do not do that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the package. It comes in a cute little bag with a Ziploc type of thing. When you first get it, it has instructions here because this is actually sealed, so like doing that doesn't do anything, or it doesn't ever do anything. It kind of seals it back up. So every time you open it, you have to push down. It's really interesting. You have to push down and then, whoop, sorry. You have to push down, I can do it, I swear, and then pull it across to actually open it. So the package is definitely not child friendly, which is really great. And then when you close it back, it completely seals it again. Like if you try to open it, it's completely sealed. So the only way to do it is basically you have to push it down. If you can see, there's like a little thing there. You have to push it down. It's not the easiest thing in the world, but that's good because only adults can open it, right? And then you open it. It smells so good. So I'll close that again and show you the back of the package. So this particular package comes with 16 pods, or pack capsules. I usually do fairly small loads because I'm just a single person. But it has on the back how many you should use according to how large your load is. So small to medium load, you just need 1. A large load, you should use 2. And an extra large load, you should use 3. And you add them, and then it has instructions right at the top. You put the pods into your dryer first, or into your washer first. And it says that you can use it in any washer. So you can do the front load ones, the top load ones, whichever one you have. You're going to put the Tide Pod in it first, and then you add your clothes. And then and then if you use fabric softener, these don't have some fabric softener in them, so you'll want to add that as well if you use that typically. But yeah, and then it reminds you to close the package so that children don't get to it, and always handle with dry hands because the water is what dissolves the plastic that liquid is in. So you want to make sure you have dry hands so that way it doesn't start dissolving in your hands, because that would be a mess. Make sure to let you know that it dissolves in all temperatures, which is really great. So you can use hot water, cold water, it doesn't matter. It'll work either way, which is really great. It's got some warnings at the bottom. Don't cut it, don't let children get into it, and don't put it in your eyes. So yeah, so let's go ahead and take one of these babies out. And again, you have to, this is kind of hard to see, you have to push down. It's kind of hard to do it from that angle to show you, but you push down, there you go, and pull it across. It's really not that hard. And this is what it looks like. It's just a little bag type of thing with your liquid in it. It smells really good. Like, it smells like heaven. And your clothes come out smelling just like it. Like I said, I usually only use 1, but depending on the size of your load, you may need to use more. You do want to be careful when you're holding it. I feel like it's the packaging, the plastic packaging is so soft. I feel like if I touch it, if I like squeeze it even a little bit, put any kind of pressure, it's just gonna pop. So that's a little bit scary, but yeah, it's so pretty. The colors are so pretty. So you've got right here is the green part is your laundry detergent. I actually don't know which of these is which, and then you've got one is your stain remover liquid and the other is your color protectant liquid. So it's not all in one liquid. It's 3 separate liquids. So yeah, they didn't like invent an all new liquid type of thing. They invented a package that will package them all together that you just throw in your washer. And it's just so convenient. Tide Pods, I feel like, are just so extremely convenient because you don't have to worry about measuring. You don't have to carry a huge bottle, especially if you don't have a washer at home and you have to go to a laundromat. I live in New York, so I have laundry in the basement, but I still have to carry all of my stuff to the basement. It's really nice to just carry this bag and put this in my bag than to have to carry a huge bottle of liquid and to be afraid that it's gonna spill or anything like that. I don't have to worry about that with this, so it's really great. So I highly, highly recommend Tide Pods. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it.